Today, I'm going to show you how to resolve the frustrating SIM not supported error on your iPhone and unlock it to work with any carrier. Whether you're switching providers, traveling abroad, or using a new SIM card, this tutorial is for you. We'll use a tool called iRecovery, a trusted app that simplifies carrier unlocking without jailbreaking your device. Let's dive in. iRecovery is a powerful application that removes carrier restrictions and resolves SIM-related issues on iPhones. If you've ever seen the SIM not supported message or want to switch carriers permanently, this app can help. It works on all iOS versions, including 2025 updates, and supports most iPhone models. Step 1. Install iRecovery. Visit the website link in the pinned comment or description. Download and install the app on your computer, Windows/Mac. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. The process may take 5 to 10 minutes. Do not disconnect your iPhone during this time. And that's it. You've just unlocked your iPhone to use with any carrier worldwide. If this worked for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.